sir.
How's the arm, Private? The medic said you took quite a bite.
Nothing that I won't have forgotten about by the time I reach 2, sir.
There's been a change of plan, Private Snow.
Congratulations, Mr. Snow. You've passed all my tests. I've asked President Ravenstill to grant you a full pardon, effective immediately. I also told him that you are too promising to waste in the military. So you'll be studying under me now at the Capital University.
I can't afford university.
A certain Mr. Strabo Plinth has offered to pay for everything you need while you're there. All for being such a good friend to his Sejanus. He doesn't know quite how good a friend you were, of course. I never mentioned your little recording. Quite impressive. How you sent your only friend to the noose just to get my attention.
That's not what I did.
Are you sure? Because I think that won you the Plinth Prize after all. The President has agreed to another year of the Games. People watched, and I have you to thank for that. But before I take you under my wing, after everything you've seen out there in the real world, let me ask you one final time. What are the Hunger Games for?
I used to think that the Hunger Games were punishment for the district. Then I thought they served as a warning to us here in the capital about the threat the districts posed. Now I know the whole world is an arena, and we need the Hunger Games every year to remind us all who we truly are.
And who are you, do you determine?
The victor.
Welcome home, Mr. Snow.
You look so handsome.
What do you think?
I think you look just like your father, Coriolanus.
Sejanus Plinth's personal effects from District 12. I was going to return this to his parents tonight. It was a gift. Would have been his 19th birthday. But I think they would prefer just this. Best friends.
You grew a heart in the districts.
No, not in the districts. In the Hunger Games. I should be thanking you.
The credit for the Hunger Games goes to your father. Half of it, at least. I only dreamt them up as an assignment. A joke. I was drunk. Devise a punishment for our enemies so extreme, they will never forget how badly they've wronged us. When I sobered up, I wanted to destroy it, but your father, my best friend, he'd stolen it from me. Put both our names on it, taken it to Gaul to rise up himself. I tried morphling. The night that first child fell. I hoped the games might die out. I tried to stop them however I could. But then you came along. Now the blood of so many more generations will be on my hands. Because you've shown us the price people are willing to pay for a good show. Tell me, was she sad when you left 12? Your little songbird?
I expect it made us both sad.
My contacts inform me that she's disappeared. That the mayor might have killed her out there, but there's no proof. It's a mystery. And mysteries have a way of driving people mad. Look at you. Heir to the Blyth fortune, nothing in your way.
Snow lands on top.
It's the things we love most that destroy us.